little home for me. I played pretend between the trees and fed my house gas sparking leaves and laughed in my pretty bed of green. I had a dream that I could fly from my highest swing. I had a dream. Long walks in the dark through woods grown behind a park. I asked God who I'm supposed to be. The stars smiled